That thin strip of metal running along the edge of your roof might not look like much, but it's one of the hardest working components in your roofing system. Today, we're diving into the world of roof drip edge flashing. A roofing drip edge is an angled strip of flashing installed at the perimeter of the roof. It bridges the gap between your shingles, roof deck, and fascia, creating a clean transition that controls exactly where water goes. Without a drip edge, water droplets cling to the underside of shingles and follow surface tension back toward the wood. This wicks moisture into the roof deck and fascia, areas it should never reach. A drip edge stops fascia rot, protects the roof deck from insects, and reduces ice dam formation. It's a simple piece of metal that solves a very serious problem before it starts. Most residential roofs use three main profiles. Type C, or L style, is a simple 90-degree design. Type D, the T style, has a lower flange that kicks water further away. And Type F, or gutter apron, is ideal for retrofitting. Aluminum is the most common choice for its corrosion resistance. Galvanized steel offers more rigidity for high wind areas, while copper is a premium, long-lasting option that develops a beautiful patina over time. Correct installation is crucial. At the eaves, the drip edge goes on first, directly against the roof deck. Then, the ice and water shield and underlayment are layered over the top. At the rake edges, the sequence reverses. The underlayment goes down first, and the drip edge is installed over it. This prevents wind-driven rain from channeling water behind the metal. Watch for water running behind gutters, soft fascia boards, or ceiling stains near exterior walls. These are clear signs that your drip edge is failing and your home structure is at risk. A properly installed drip edge keeps your warranty intact and your home dry. It's a small investment that delivers outsized protection. Thanks for watching.